Click the Settings button, and you can adjust the software-related configurations according to your preferences. Set the range of start and end ports. The range between the maximum and minimum ports should be maintained between 0 and 500. Enter the country, region code here and select the location you wish to represent. We can click here to find the country code we are looking for. Enter the country name and click search. You can get the country code you want, then go back to settings. Enter the country code you just entered. You can set the required IP port range here. The port value range remains between 1025 and 65,535. Within the time range you set, the system will automatically hide the IP address you extract with a selection range of 0 to 24. Click Use to complete the settings.